Hey, Buzz. This is my contribution to Black History Month because I got all this at one store. Yes, one Walgreens by itself. I am so in love. We're getting married at the register. So excited. So, I was going to attempt this week to do a pre-order because I knew it was going to be foolishness and mayhem at the stores, and I really wasn't trying to throat check anybody about some coupons. Like, I just don't want to go to jail about that. That would be a loss for me. So I was like, well, let me try and pre-order so I don't have to get in here fighting with these people at 8 o'clock in the morning, which is against everything I stand for because anything before noon isn't important. But anyway, so I called my local store and asked them if they would do it. This is after calling like 6 other stores who just were like, no, or you're too late or whatever. So then they acted like they could do it. So they were like, call in on Friday, confirm your order got in, had them hold it till Sunday, whoopity-whoopity-whoop. So I'm sitting here, like, yes, I'm going down there, get my little order. Yes, I'm a beast on them. No. I called on Friday, they were like, oh, we can't do that. Huh? Because I clearly talked to y'all on Tuesday and you said you could. And now all of a sudden nobody knows anything about what I'm talking about? Really? I think, like, register awards, the phrase itself is like a panic code for them. Like, as soon as you say register awards, they're like, nope, can't, scared, nope, turn it off, no. They just don't want to do anything for you after that. So that was horrible, and that kind of, like, put a damper on my Friday because I was just, like, so excited about getting all this stuff and not having any problems. Because y'all know I've been having some problems and difficulties at these stores. They hate me. But I was talking to my friend, Coupon Cutie, and we were sitting there, going over transactions we were going to do and, blah, blah, blah. And I got thinking, I don't want to be up here with these people at 8 o'clock in the morning. That's not me at 100%. That's me at like 50% at 8 o'clock in the morning. Because, again, it's just against everything I stand for. And I don't believe in mornings. So, yeah. I decided I was going to go to a 24-hour Walgreens and just try it. Just see what happens, see if I could do anything. So I found this one that's like 20 minutes away. And, boy, if it wasn't worth the drive, I don't know what was. Yes, I will be here all the time, like I said. I was in love as soon as I walked in the door. I've never seen this much stock on the shelf in Walgreens in my whole coupon life. My whole coupon life. I mean, there was just stacks of everything. I was just like, what? What are you talking about? I can get, what? Oh, my gosh, there's double stacks of stuff? Wow. I mean, no one shops in here. No one. No one shops in the store. I'm so excited I found it. And the secret is going to the grave with me. Sorry to be ugly, but I just can't. I don't want anybody ruining my life, ruining my couponing. Y'all have y'all stuff. Let me have my one hookup. So I did 11 transactions. No, 10. I did 10 transactions. And it just went flawlessly. From the beginning, when this wasn't ringing up properly, it was ringing up at like $26 like it was for everyone else. They price modified it. I got my register award. No problems anywhere. The only thing they didn't have was the Burt's Bees cough drops, and I ended up rolling some register awards and getting those later on at a different store. And you see how they only had 2? Yeah. Nobody's messing with my favorite now. I'm so excited. So anyway, this is how I did my transactions because I didn't have any register awards. I didn't have any gift cards. I didn't have a hookup. I didn't have a booth thing, nothing. So I just came in here just new and raw. So my first transaction was the Renew Probiotic. There's a $3 printable floating around on the internet, and it's $10 and you get back 10. So that was my first one. Then my second one was the melatonin. Shout out to Coupon Frenzy. She let us know that on the Natral Omega 3, there is a $2 off of any one Natral product. And so I used that. The melatonin is $4, get back $4. So I used that coupon. The Belvita is $2.99. I wasn't able to get my papers on Saturday because my little corner boys are not awake at the time I was trying to get them. So this actually worked out. So they're $2.99 with no coupon. You get back $2 in register rewards. The next item on this transaction was the razors, and they are $3.99, get back $3 in register rewards. And then the last item was the Glade Expressions, and they were $3.49, get back $1.50 in register rewards, and there was $1.50 printable on Walmart's website. Saving with Veta has the link for that coupon if you need it. So that total came up to $10.97. I used the $10 I got from here, making that 97 cents plus tax, and I got back $10.50 in register rewards. I did this again and did use the register reward I got from the melatonin and from the razor. I added 2 fillers, which were these 2 bags. These bags are for $4, and I'm making Easter bags for my daughter's class. So I think this might be a recurring thing. Like every time they have a holiday, just go to Walgreens and get stuff and put it in the bag. So I used 2 of those fillers, which made it 58 cents plus tax, and then I got back another $10 register reward. Transaction 4 was going to be the Burt's Bees, but they didn't have any of these, like I said. So that's where these came in. And I didn't have any coupons off of Facebook because I really wasn't thinking about these at all, because I had gotten the ones at CVS. So I didn't have any coupons. So what I had to do was substitute these for the Burt's Bees. These are $2.99, get back $2 in register rewards. So I did have to pay an extra $1, but that's okay. And I got the Super Poly Grip, which is $1.99, get $1.99 back. And I had a $1 off of 1 coupon from the Hexagon GlaxoSmithKline Smith. They were in CVS, and I had posted about them. I had done a video. I think it was one of my very first CVS, my first or second CVS video. And so I had 3 of those. I should have gotten more, but I'm making a donation basket for a retirement home or a senior place of need or whatever. So I'm going to put all this stuff in there. And so I was able to use that $1 coupon, another one of these Belvitas, and then another razor. That total was $9.96. I used another bag as a filler, making it $10.25. I used the register reward I got from transaction 3. Then it was 25 cents plus tax, got back $9 in register rewards. And then I did the probiotic again. That was 87 cents in tax, got back the register $10. Then transaction 6 was another Nivea, another Polyvert Belvita, and the razor, and so on and so forth until my 10th. My 10th transaction was the Nivea, the Glade Expressions, the razor, and the Belvita. And that left me with a total of 96 cents plus tax, and I got back $8.50 in register rewards, leaving me with a total of $18 in register rewards. I've stacked the like ones together, so that's why you don't see them all laid out. So then I took, the next day, later on today, I enrolled 2 of the, I think Nivea? I don't know. Okay, one of them was Nivea, and I rolled it on this, which was $1.99, get $1.99 back. And I had to use these fillers. These little tumblers are for $4, as you can see, or 29 cents each. I'm sorry, the bags are the same price. And they're little, like, Easter cups. These have eggs on them. And so the first transaction went fine. I tried to get smart, and I was like, oh, well, I'll use this $1.99 register reward and use it on the $1.99 Burt's Bees. No, boo. Register beeped, wouldn't take it. So now I had to add a second cup. So that was lame. So that transaction was 60 cents. No, it wasn't. 55 cents. And then the other transaction was Also 55 cents, clearly the same transaction. But I thought that was weird. Can somebody tell me why? Because it's the same price. So why does it say coupon exceeds maximum limit if they're the same price? Like, I don't understand why it won't do that. I'm pretty sure there's a real basic reason for it. I just can't think of it right now. But all in all, this was a fan-freaking-tastic haul. Oh, also really quick, a lot of the ethnic hair care items are on clearance, marked down more, 50% or more. So just go through your Walgreens if you have a need for these items and just look around. This lotion was $2 and change. This hair mask was $2.49. And this hair grease was $2.19 or something like that. Let's see, all my receipts here. I can actually tell y'all the real prices instead of making up stuff. Let's see here. Whoops, sorry guys. Get it together. Yeah, this was $2.29. The lotion. The grease was $2.19, and the mask was $3.19. But it's a deep conditioner, so I didn't mind paying for that. Okay, obviously my stapling did not work. Fail. So that was my haul. I'm still going back forever and ever, unless they like blow it up. I'm not, and it looks pretty new, so I'm just like, it was just a beacon of light in a really dark, desperate tale in my adventures in couponing. So, welcome to all my new subscribers. Hey, boo, to all my old subscribers. Just glad y'all are here sharing the fun with me. So I hope you guys got out and got these awesome deals. If you're just starting out, don't get frustrated. Just get in there and get your money, because that's what this is, money. All that over there, money. Why pay for this when you don't have to? So all this is stuff I wanted, and so I got it. Don't give up, and have a great night. Bye, guys.